On day 20 of our epic road trip through New Zealand's wild landscapes, we've reached the breathtaking Lindis Pass. Prepare for a journey so magical it seems almost surreal. We're bringing spectacular time lapses that capture the essence of time and drone footage that unveils the beauty of nature from a perspective otherwise hidden. Join us on this unforgettable adventure that will inspire and enchant you. On your journey through Lindis Pass, from Wanaka to Omarama, you'll witness one of New Zealand's most scenic roads. Lindis Pass winds through the rolling hills of the Mackenzie Basin, framed by imposing mountains and pristine lakes. At its highest point, the Lindis Pass lookout at 971 meters elevation, a breathtaking view is revealed, a must experience. For the adventurers among us, there's a secret path next to the official viewpoint that leads to an even more spectacular view. A little adventure that is worth it. And now sit back and enjoy a little excursion by land and air through this truly wonderful part of our planet. The more you see how worth protecting it is. But now I'm finally calm and just let her enjoy.
Schon mal auf 20 Meter zur Sicherheit.
The surrounding area is also a paradise for hikers and nature lovers, with flora and fauna that are simply impressive. In the colder months, the pass transforms into a winter wonderland, though you should be prepared for snow and ice, possibly with snow chains for your vehicle. In our latest adventure, we take you to the top of Lindis Pass, a place where the ease of travel meets the splendor of nature. The road to the summit is clear and open, free from the challenge of hairpin turns or narrow paths, a dream for any driver. What makes the Lindis Valley spectacular are the lupines, which grow here to the left and right of the road, but have also partially or completely taken over meadows. When the sun shines through them, they seem like light sources. Beyond the picturesque drive, Lindis Pass offers numerous activities, like the challenge of the Lindis Peak Track, a demanding hike that rewards with breathtaking views, or a visit to the historic ruins of the Lindis Pass Hotel, deeply rooted in New Zealand's history. A modest gravel parking lot marks the peak of this journey, which since 2011 has seen an increasing number of explorers. Here, the view opens up to a breathtaking panorama of brown-yellow tussock grasslands framed by the majestic silence of mountains and hills. A new, short hiking trail now leads us to a hilltop, offering an even better view over the valley and its beauty. Named after Lindisfarne Island, the home island of surveyor John Turnbull Thompson, Lindis Pass carries the memory of Europe amidst the wild beauty of New Zealand. Beyond the pass lies Lindis Valley, a network of hiking and biking trails inviting exploration. As we bid farewell to the majestic Lindis Pass, our journey from the lookout point towards Omarama unfolds, embarking us on a path less traveled. This stretch, nestled between the rugged mountains and vast tussock landscapes, whispers the tales of the land. The road, a serpentine marvel, carves through the heart of the South Island, revealing nature's grandeur at every turn. It's here, amidst the solitude of the high country, that the spirit of adventure truly comes alive. As we traverse this route, each bend offers a new vista, a fresh perspective of New Zealand's untamed beauty. This journey is not just a passage through land, but a voyage into the essence of exploration. Hope you enjoyed day 20 of our New Zealand road trip as we journeyed together through Lindis Pass. If you liked the video, we'd be thrilled if you could leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures and explore our complete New Zealand playlist, featuring all the highlights, including a breakdown of costs, tricks, and tips to elevate your travel experience. Look forward to more, spread the love, and remember to stay healthy. Your support drives us.
So, heute haben wir wieder eine kleine Mini-Einlage. Wir haben hier heute was? Ja, Drohne abschützen lassen. Jetzt müssen wir die auf der Insel am Heist River. Ja, ich habe sie abstürzen lassen. Immer so eine Klugscheiße hier.